In the Piedmont Triad, a man accused of first-degree murder just went in front of a judge. Rashawn Weaver is 20 years old and is accused of killing North Carolina A&T State University student Kanisha Turner.
Now, the shooting happened at a party on Circle Drive in Greensboro in October of 2022. On Friday, Greensboro police made an arrest. Fox 8's Gretchen Stenger was at the courthouse for the first appearance but wasn't able to go in. She joins us now to explain what happened. Gretchen.
Yeah, Rashawn Weaver's case is starting out in juvenile court, and that is because Weaver was not quite 18 at the time of this shooting. Now, as I started to go into the courtroom, as I do for many of these hearings, the bailiff stopped me and told me I wasn't permitted to go in because it's a juvenile case. He said only the family members could go in, so I had to wait outside of the courtroom. Rashawn Weaver, the 20-year-old man accused of killing NC A&T student Kanisha Turner in 2022, faced a judge in juvenile court because Greensboro police say he wasn't 18 in 2022. Greensboro police say a party on Circle Drive broke out into a fight, leaving 6 people shot, 2 dead, including Turner and 15-year-old Rinaldi Snipes. It's important to note Weaver is only facing charges for the murder of Kanisha Turner. Police say they're still investigating the death of Snipes. Monday, the courtroom filled with members from both families involved. Turner's family was escorted in first. Her mother and 2 other women were there. Weaver's family was later escorted in, but before walking into the courtroom, Weaver's attorney warned his mother that the judge might say he could face life in prison. This is when his mother began to cry until being escorted into the courtroom. The bailiff only allowed immediate family in. After a few minutes, family from both sides were welcomed in, but the bailiff said media wasn't permitted. While I waited outside the courtroom, Weaver was taken into the courtroom by 2 bailiffs. He was cuffed at the wrist and shackled at the ankles. He walked in slowly with his head down, wearing a blue sweatshirt, black shorts, and black Crocs. The hearing took about 30 minutes. I heard a woman scream and then say, "I'm sorry," before court was adjourned. Weaver's mother was the first out of the courtroom, with family following closely behind, everyone looking disappointed. Turner's family was escorted in another direction. I asked Weaver's mother and his attorney if they would like to share a statement on his behalf. They told me no. I asked Turner's mother if she would like to speak with me and share how the hearing went. She told me that she's been advised not to speak with me. So we will continue to follow this case as closely as we are allowed to. In Greensboro, Gretchen Stenger, Fox 8 News.